Hi and welcome to the tutorial. Today we are going to talk about validation rules and validation text. Now this site is from the Microsoft Office site and it actually lists down all the validation rules you could put in your database. The one that is probably most interesting and most useful is this one. Okay, people that cannot enter their birth dates in the future. Now there's a simple validation rule. It's just this, so it's less than date. Okay, now how do we put this into Access? Alright, so we go into Access. Alright, so here's my table. Okay, now the date joined, this field here is a date field. Okay, so basically all these entries are dates. Okay, so what I need to do is I'll need to go to Design View, and where it says validation rule, I will put in that less than date, open and close bracket. Okay, now the validation text, this is what happens if a user tries to enter a date that is past pretty much today's date. Okay, so my message is please enter a valid date. Alright, I'll put a little exclamation point. Now we need to make sure that the data type for that field is date and time, otherwise it won't work. So if you're doing text or numbers with an input mask, it just won't work. Okay, so let me save that. Okay, so now if I try to put 2011, it's going to pop up and say please enter a valid date. So I need to go back and I need to make sure that it's underneath 2011. Okay, if you want to go back and you want to actually add some changes to this, okay, so for example less than the date today and greater than 1st of the 1st 1950s, something like that, to actually come up with a range, you could do that. But if you just wanted to leave it like that, that's okay. Anyways, thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you next time.